Next topic, the tsunami. The tsunami, though the tsunami is not a common one in India. So common one in India, it is incident in 2004. The tsunami, the affected in whole Tamil Nadu, the Coromandel coastal areas and northern circles also. The affected in 2004. The alerted the India and the state of Tamil Nadu. Alerted the India and the state of the Tamil Nadu on this aspect. The risk reductions measure. First one is before. If you live on the coastal areas, know about it, the tsunami risk and local warning, mainly local warning arrangement. Develop the household emergency plan and how to will reach the other place, the upstart, mainly for upstart or highland areas. The highland areas means some mountains areas like that, some height of the times. The how you will reach it at time, mainly for the high ground areas. During the time, take your get away kit. During the time, the tsunami times, take your get away kit. Never go to the source of the watch of tsunami. Going to watch and listen to the tsunami, the coastal areas, how to happen, what is the problems. Don't go. The incident, the government and the informations. Watch the tsunamis. After that, mainly for the local warning arrangement, and develop the household emergency plan. Know where the nearest high ground and how you will reach it. After that, the durings, the travels areas at risk, move the immediately nearest highland. The times the tsunami occurred, they immediately move to the high areas. How the for example first floor, second floors, like that. The times is reaching the high areas. The arrangement of the mainly for the source was to tsunami areas. Go on this upper slope and the building of the clamp onto the roof and trees. So, and never go to the source of the watch tsunamis and listen to local radio stations emergency measurement. Local area and emergency measurement. If you found the tsunami, you immediately go to the higher areas, higher places, higher ground, and going to the reaching the trees areas and some other the height and place, mainly for height. After that, don't return to the evacuation zones till the authorities have given all clear. So all clear. So clear and the complete clear. The tsunami is stopped that time against and reach your homes. So don't return to the evacuation zones till the authorities have given all the clears. Then is that mainly check your self injuries. Check your sometimes the some incident is occur. Check your injuries and get the first aid. Check the injuries and get the first aid aid and help others. First aid and help others. The mainly for tsunami occur in sea areas, the coastal areas. In 2004, Tamil Nadu the worst affected in the coastal regions. So boat and fishermen mainly full the charge and safe in the extra battery also. That times don't go the catching the fish. Don't go that times 2 or 3 days away. After that the completed the tsunami going to reach the fish. So next topic the earthquakes. Next topic the earthquakes. Next topic the earthquake. Next topic the earthquake. Earthquake. The India is the vast country which experience many earthquake at the different period. At the different period, generally the high risk zones of the country, mainly for so located in the northern state and the central areas in the high risk zones also found. That mainly the earthquake did occur. So suddenly occur in the earth surface. The tsunami is occur in the water areas, the sea areas, and the tsunami around earthquake. The earthquake is found in this land surface. India is the vast country which experience many earthquakes at the different speed of the generally high risk zones of the countries, mainly for located in the North India and the central part of the countries. In Tamil Nadu, the low risk zones found in the earthquake. During the times, that take over the under the strong tables or any other piece of the furniture. That time the earthquake times is under the strong tables and any other piece of the furniture and remain under cover still the shaking stops. And the mainly for focus on before after the procedure casually once the earthquake was stopped and the always avoid the roads, bridge that must have been damaged by the earthquakes. So the occurred times, the earthquakes occurred times don't travels. The crack in the roads. At that time, so don't travel the bridge and others. So these lessons over. Next lessons I am going to take the topic of the economics unit 3 food and security. Thank you.